Here are the top lead automations that you can do with the help of Solid Performance CRM. Number 1. Automated lead aggregation. With the help of Solid Performance CRM, you can integrate all of your lead sources and all the leads will land on the CRM directly. In order to do that, you have to go to settings, and in here we have provided you with multiple integration options. So you can either use a web lead form for your website, or you can use a chatbot for your website and all the leads will come to the CRM directly. Or if you want to connect your Facebook account or Google lead form account or IndiaMart Trade India or any other lead sources, you can use any of these lead sources and all the leads will land on the CRM directly. Number 2. Automated lead allocation. The leads whatever you are receiving from various sources can be automatically allocated to these sales executives. In order to do that, again you can go to any particular integrated source, and if you go to the settings, we have provided you with the option to choose the executive names. In case if you are choosing multiple executives, then the leads will get allocated to these executives on an automated basis. And in the list page, you will also get to know the source from which the lead was received, and it will also get allocated to the executives on a rotational basis or whatever other criteria you are defining. The third automation is you can send automated welcome email, SMS or WhatsApp to the lead who made the inquiry. In order to do that, you can go to settings, and in here we have provided you with automation settings. Under automation setting, email, WhatsApp or SMS settings are available. You can choose whichever automation you want to do. If you go to WhatsApp automation, you can add a new trigger. A trigger means when this particular action has to perform. That is when this particular automation has to initiate. I'm adding a new trigger as welcome, and you can choose the condition. That is when a new lead is created, then send an automated WhatsApp messages to the lead. And in this trigger message, you can also use short codes. So this short code will convert it into a real name when you're sending the message. For example, if a person named Anil is making an enquiry, then the automated message will be sent in the name of, "Hi Anil, we have received your enquiry. We'll get back to you shortly," like that. So these kind of automated welcome emails, you can send it to the lead who made the enquiry, and this will keep them engaged until your salesperson calls them. You can also send many details about your business, or you can share brochure and many other things in this welcome emails. You can also send delayed welcome emails, like first message will be sent immediately and second one will be sent after 30 minutes of receiving the enquiry. In this way, the lead will be completely engaged until your person calls them. Number 4. Lead nurturing. You can also perform automated lead nurturing using these automation settings. Let me show you how you can do that. In order to do that, go to add new trigger, and you can set up all the trigger name. For example, this can be nurturing 1, and in here you can choose when a lead is created, you send this automation after 2 days, and in this whatever message you want to send, you can enter the message content and send. In this way, you can send multiple delayed automations with a certain span of time. Lead nurturing is basically converting your prospects into your future clients. In this journey of converting a potential prospect into a client, you might need to send multiple automated emails, SMS or WhatsApp that talks about your business, your product or service and its advantages, why they need to choose your product or service, what are your achievements or your customer feedbacks, etc., etc. so that this particular lead will become your customer in the future. You can also include multiple attachments or brochures in this automated nurturing mails. Number 5. Automated follow-ups and triggers based on update messages. Let me show you how to do that. Click on add a new trigger, and in here you can choose again all the conditions as similar to the previous one. I'm adding it as follow-up 1. When a lead is updated, then send a message to the lead when the status is meeting fixed. So now what will happen is, only if this condition is meeting, then only the follow-up messages will be sent. And for this follow-up message also, you can delay it by 1 day. That means now your sales executive is updating this status, and tomorrow around the same time, this trigger message will go like, "Did you get a chance to go through the proposal that we have shared yesterday?" In this way, even if your sales team forgets to perform the follow-up, an automated follow-up is happening. And also this trigger is happening based on the updated status. So for various status, you can create multiple follow-up messages, and all the follow-ups will be sent only if the condition is met. You can do this based on source, stage, status or group, any other additional criteria that are available in the system, and all the conditions will be displayed here. Number 6. Follow-up reminder alerts. You can send automated follow-up reminder alerts to your sales team executive. You can send this follow-up alerts either as a notification or through WhatsApp, email or SMS. As you see here in the setting, you can send automations via email, WhatsApp, SMS or push notification. If I go to push notification, you can create a new trigger for your sales executives. I'm creating a trigger for follow-up reminder alert. This will be triggered when a lead follow-up date and time is matching. Then based on that, it will push a reminder alert to the executive. And it will also send before 15 minutes, that is ahead of the follow-up, so that this person will be notified. So I'm keeping it as ahead and 15 minutes. So this means based on the follow-up date and time, the executive will get a notification before 15 minutes. And you can also define the trigger message over here. Like you need to perform a follow-up with this particular lead. Number 7. Automated reassigning of leads. This is one of the most important function, because if a particular lead is not attended within a certain time span, then you might lose that lead forever. So it is better to reallocate the leads in case if your executive is not available to respond to the lead. So what will happen in this case is, if a particular lead is still in unattended stage for a period of 30 minutes or 1 hour, then automatically that particular lead will get assigned to the new executive. In order to do that, you go to settings, and in here under inquiry or lead settings, you have got advanced settings. From here you can enable reassign automatically if not responded within 30 minutes or 60 minutes. And then you can click on update. So now what will happen is, any lead which has got allocated to a particular executive will be reassigned automatically. Number 8. Report automation. You can create multiple reports and send these reports in email on an automated basis to the manager or the concerned team head. You can do this easily using report automations, which is available in settings. Automated detection of duplicates and removal of duplicates, or assigning the leads to the same executive. This is an automated function and it is enabled by default in the CRM. So when a new lead is received, and if the lead contact number or email ID is matching with the previous lead, then what will happen is, this particular new lead will get allocated to the same executive who was handling this lead already. Also, it will be marked in braces as duplicate, so that the executive will be intimated that this is a duplicate lead. In case if you are doing bulk upload, automatically the system will remove all the duplicates, or in case if you want to import the duplicates, we have provided you with the option for that as well. So our primary goal is to restrict you from importing duplicates or creating multiple duplicate data, but based on your business, in case if you want to import duplicate data, you can do that as well. Number 10 and the last important thing is lead scoring. With the help of Solid Performance automated system, we can help you in understanding the quality of the lead using lead score. And you can do this as per your business requirement in the settings panel. That is, you can define what is the score that you want to give it for a particular lead based on various actions. In order to do that, go to settings, and under lead settings or inquiry settings, you will find lead scoring. If you go to lead scoring, we have got options to split this lead score based on various options which are available here, and you can split it and give defined settings as per the need. You can refer to the detailed video of lead scoring for understanding this in a better way. These are all the top 10 lead automations available in Solid Performance CRM. You can also get started with Solid Performance CRM for free and explore the CRM and check whether it is meeting all of your requirements. In the description below, I have mentioned the link to get started with Solid Performance CRM for free. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more useful video updates like this. Thank you.